Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to wear your mascara properly. Because apparently, most of us have been doing it the wrong way. I say this about the mascara because usually what I do with the mascara wand is I take the wand, swipe it upwards or downwards, call that my lash routine. But if you want to use the most out of your mascara and get that fuller looking lashes, then please keep on watching. On a random note, if you're still here, love you, and also do subscribe to the channel, and you can also check out my other videos. I am pretty sure those are going to be helpful to you too. Anyway, let's begin this video. And this is how my lashes look without mascara, and on the right side I've done the regular method that I usually do to apply mascara, and on the right side I've used a lash curler to curl the lashes upwards. Without that, my lashes just weigh down, and you can see the difference between the right and the left. On the left side my lashes look much more fuller, even the lower lashes look much more thicker, and two, even without an eyelash curler, it curls beautifully upwards. Although this is just a subtle difference, I'm just using a mascara to achieve this. That's a big feat, and I swear I'm just gonna follow this technique from now on. So first step is to outline the waterline with kajal. I realized that doing this is gonna make your lashes look like they look much more fuller than they actually are. And if you want a video on how to tightline your kajal, I also have it in my channel, and I'll link it right here. So I'm just filling the gaps in the waterline. Instantly it looks like my lashes are fuller, and I'm gonna repeat the same for the lower lash too. And now I'm gonna smudge it with this flat brush. I mean, I know there's a bit of mess on my lids, but we can clean it up later. We move on to step number 2. Take the mascara wand and remove the excess from the wand onto the tube of the mascara. Because if you have a lot of product on the mascara wand, it's gonna clump your lashes so soon. And now keep the wand this way vertically and swipe the product on the tip of your lashes. And once it's done, twist the mascara wand and blink. Now take a clean spoolie and keep it on the top to remove the excess clumps. Like twist it so you can remove the excess. If you have a comb, you can use the comb, but since I don't have a comb, I'm just using this spoolie. Just on top and twist. Use a concealer to clean it up. Let the mascara sit for a few minutes and go in with second coat. Take the mascara and swipe the excess off. This time we're going to go on the top of the lashes and coat it. And once it's done, go from the bottom and lift it up. Use a spoolie or any sharp object to separate the lashes. And for the lower lashes, I'm going to drag the mascara wand vertically. Look at how pretty my lashes look. And this is how you use your mascara to get fuller looking lashes. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know the drill. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.